Wow. I am trying to get down here. Woo, I don't know where the steps are. It's just ice. Can't find my car. Where is my car? Woo! It's crazy. It is so much ice. Oh, gosh. Wow. First time coming outside. This is crazy. Wow. Gosh. Wow. Everything is covered. I don't even know when I'm gonna clean my car. Oh my gosh. It is crazy. Oh, and we're still getting more snow. It's so windy. To get to the cars, oh my god. I guess the plow truck came by. That's it. It is so windy. No one can get to come and clean their car yet. It's that crazy. Wow. Look. Oh my God. This is what we encountered today. Don't know what's going to happen tomorrow.